Oh, ke my dear, we have been singing nothing but praises for Uvyokazi Ncewini, who almost became one of the wives to Mpumelelo Mseleku. But God said, cha, ngekhe ngivume unyawo lwakho lushelele. Oh, madoda, uSmaki kangavume ngo-baby girl, and now she's at her bestest, uyeva? Fans couldn't stop gushing kesana, adding a little humor here and there. Omnye uthi wacishe wafela endlini eziyelo mntakadabs. Ndizokushaya wena. Ava kuthiwa uMseleku uthi Flo Uvyokazi uyaglow. Uyabona ke. We almost lost a baddie. Wish Tirelo can also choose herself cause uyaguga, uyaphela. I bet wasifike nenkinga ngokunomtiritiri khaneke nomtiritiri man. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani? Iyanconywa bethuna into xa intle bafazi, intle intombi yakwaNcewini. To think that waphantse wagugela ezilalini. Yeah! Holy Ghost fire. Efuna uba ngumama omkhulu ke phofu so bad. Uvyokazi didn't just leave a toxic relationship. She really reinvented herself. And we are so happy for her. Oh, I hate this dress bethuna. I hate this dress, and ibike yayi-AIDS apha yatrenda iyafana no-Shein ke futhi I don't know ubithengiswa phi, but it's too much ndiyacapukela. But anyway, we will always reference Uvyokazi Ncewini when we are advising a girl to leave a toxic relationship. Sithi jonga Uvyokazi, khawujonge pha, uyabona kuyaphileka bafazi, indoda ayiloliwa lapha kade. Hey, siselapho. I was today years old when I learned that one of the reasons the late AKA left our girl Bonang. Yo, kanibukele, watch for yourself.
Isn't that one of the reasons why AKA left this thing with Bonang? Because I think around that time it was mentioned, which he said, I've never seen her natural hair. At the time.
I don't know.
Hair. So Des, you'd be with someone for 3 years and you've never seen their natural hair.
That's
ever.
fine. I see your face. What am I going to do with your hair?
Des, you can't be serious, dude.
Bro, listen, like if Palisa wears a wig, we've seen Palisa.
3 years, we've never seen what her real hair looks like.
Why does it matter? You see her face.
Hey!
Do you kiss the hair? Do you look the hair in the eye, Prince?
Does she have hair, Des?
It doesn't matter. I can see her face.
It matters,
We don't
dog.
know if she has a bald spot. We don't know if she has anything right
Also,
there.
you are willing to risk your future babies come to Analang Pantla because you don't want to see.
Listen, I had plenty of hair, nigga. My hair.
You're going to have a daughter who has no hairline because of who you're dating.
So you're going to base looking for women's... Listen, you don't
Yes,
need
yes,
to
yes,
women's
yes,
hair.
yes.
News, but it has sparked another conversation about black women obsessing with wigs and feeling like they are ugly if they don't have makeup or wig on. But now, really guys, imagine in a relationship now, imagine being with someone whom you don't know their original factory settings. I never shame. It doesn't make sense. And I'm only realizing now in Dobana, I have never seen Ubonang with her natural hair, manyanyan. I have never. So you want to tell me that only her hairstylist sees her hair, not even her man? Imagine dating someone for 3 years and you never see their hair. Was she or is she uncomfortable with being her best self, or oh Bonang Matong, but I hope that ukhulile ngoku and she's comfortable in herself. Konjo AKA did not only speak about that, he also spoke of stones that were in the bedroom, suspicious stones. I never thought that I would end up feeling so bitter about love. You think you know someone until you unpack all their shit and find rocks tied up in a plastic bag in your bedroom cupboard. I'm not talking bath salts. I'm talking the type of rocks you pull out of a river. What they're doing wrapped up in my bedroom, I don't know. I abandoned my entire family only to get cheated on. That's scammer. Hi, let's let it sleep. I was just reminded. May AKA's soul continue to rest. As always, my loves, like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified when a new video is uploaded. I will see you on the next one. Bye.